2013 CDP Paper 2. First question. Which one of the following is a critique of theory of multiple intelligence? Multiple intelligence are only the talents present in intelligence as a whole. Multiple intelligence provides a student to discover their propensities. It overemphasizes practical intelligence. It cannot be supported by empirical evidence at all. The right answer is 1. Next. Which one of the following pair is least likely to be a correct match? Children enter in the world with certain knowledge about language. Chomsky. Language and thought are initially two different activities. Vygotsky. Language is contingent on thought. Piaget. Language is a stimuli in environment. B.F. Skinner. The right answer is 4. Next. Features assigned due to social roles and not due to biological endowment are called gender role attitudes, gender role strain, gender role stereotype, gender role diagnosticity. The right answer is 3rd. Next. Which of the following will be most appropriate to maximize learning? Teacher should identify her cognitive style as well as of her students' cognitive style. Individual difference in students should be smoothened by pairing similar students. Teacher should focus on only one learning style to bring optimum results. Student of similar cultural background should be kept in the same class to avoid difference in opinion. The right answer is 1. Next. All of the following promote assessment as learning except telling students to take internal feedback, generating a safe environment for students to take chances, tell students to reflect on the topic taught, testing students as frequently as possible. The right answer is 4. Next. When a cook tastes a food during cooking, it may be akin to assessment of learning, assessment for learning, assessment as learning, assessment and learning. The right answer is 2. Next. Differentiated instruction is using a variety of groupings to meet student needs, doing something different for every student in the class, disorderly or undisciplined student actively using groups that never change. The right answer is 1. Next. In a culturally and linguistically diverse classroom, before deciding whether a student comes under special education category, a teacher should not involve parents as parents have their own work, evaluate student on his mother language to establish disability, use specialized psychologists, segregate the child to neutralize environmental factor. The right answer is 2. Next. Learning disabilities may occur due to all of the following except teacher's way of teaching, prenatal use of alcohol, mental retardation, meningitis during infancy. The right answer is 1. Next. An inclusive school reflect on all the following questions except do we believe that all students can learn? Do we work in teams to plan and deliver learning enabling environment? Do we properly segregate special children with normal to provide better care? Do we adopt strategies catering for the diverse need of students? The right answer is 3rd. Next. Gifted students are convergent thinker, divergent thinker, extrovert, very hard working. The right answer is 2nd. Next. The shaped area represents students in a normal distribution who fall high motivation, high creativity, high intelligence. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. The right answer is 3rd. Next, which one of the following pair would be the most appropriate choice to complete the following sentence? Children dash faster when they are involved in the activities that seem to be dash. Forget, useful in a classroom. Recall, linked with their classroom only. Memorize, culturally neutral. Learn, useful in real life. The right answer is 4. Next. CBSE prescribed group activities for students in place of activities for individual students. The idea behind doing so could be first to overcome the negative emotional response to individual competition which may generalize across learning, to make it easy for teachers to observe groups instead of individual students, to rationalize the time available with school most of which do not have enough time for individual activities, to reduce the infrastructural cost of the activity. The right answer is 1. The conclusion children can learn violent behavior depicted in movies may be derived on the basis of the work done by which of the following psychologists? Edward L. Thorndike, J.B. Watson, Albert Bandura, Jean Piaget. The right answer is third. Next, students observe fashion shows and try to imitate models. This kind of imitation may be called primary simulation, secondary simulation, social learning, generalization. The right answer is third. If students repeatedly make errors during a lesson, a teacher should make changes in instruction tasks, timetable or seating arrangements, leaving the lesson for the time being and come back to it after some time, identifying the earning students and take to principal about them, make erring students stand outside the classroom. The right answer is 1. Next, following are some techniques to manage anxiety due to an approaching examination except familiarizing with the pattern of question paper, thinking too much about the result, seeking support, emphasizing strength. The right answer is 2. Next, Bloom taxonomy is a hierarchical organization of achievement goal, curricular declarations, reading skills, cognitive object. The right answer is 4. A, B and C are 3 students studying English. A finds it interesting, thinks it will be helpful her in future. B studies English, she wants to secure first rank in the class. C studies it as primarily concerned to secure passing grades. The goal of A and B, C respectively are mastery, performance, performance avoidance, performance, performance avoidance, mastery, performance, avoidance, mastery, performance, mastery, performance, avoidance, performance. The right answer is 1. Even though this was a clearly in violation of his safety needs, Captain Vikram Batra died fighting in the Kargil war while protecting his country. He might have sought novel experience, achieved self-actualization, ignored his belongingness needs, wanted to earn a good name to his family. The right answer is 2. Next, extinction of a response is more difficult following: partial reinforcement, continuous reinforcement, punishment, verbal approach. The right answer is first. Next, mastery orientation can be encouraged by focusing on students' individual effort, comparing students' successes with each other, assigning lot of practical material as home assignment, taking unexpected tests. The right answer is 1. Next, which of the following is correctly matched? Physical development, environment, cognitive development, maturation, social development, environment, emotional development, maturation. The right answer is third. Next, all of the following facts indicate that a child is emotionally and socially fit in a class except develop good relationship with peers, concentrate on and persist with challenging tasks, manage both anger and joy effectively, concentrated persistently on competition with peers. The right answer is 4. Next, which of the following statements support role of environment in the development of a child? Some students quickly processes information while others in the same class to do. There has been a steady increase in students' average performance on IQ tests in last few decades. Correlation between IQ of identical twins raised in different homes as high as 0.75. Physically fit children are often found to be normally good, morally good. Right answer is 2. Next, socialization includes cultural transmission as discourages rebellion, development of individual personality, fits children into labels, provide emotional support. The right answer is 2. Next, a teacher shows 2 identical glasses filled with an equal amount of juice in them. She empties them into different glasses, one of which is taller and the other is wider. She asks her class to identify which glass would have more juice in it. Student reply that the taller glass has more juice. Her students have difficulty in dealing with accommodation, egocentrism, decentering, reversibility. The right answer is third. Next, Karnail Singh does not pay income tax despite legal procedures and expenses. He thinks that he cannot support a corrupt government by spending millions of rupees in building unnecessary dams. He is probably in which state of Kohlberg stage of moral development? Conventional, post-conventional, pre-conventional, para-conventional. The right answer is 2. Next, intelligence theory incorporates the mental process involved in intelligence. It means meta components, and the varied forms that intelligence can take. It means creative intelligence. P means G factors, Sternberg's triarchic theory of intelligence, seventh theory of intelligence, Thurston primary mental abilities. The right answer is 2. Thanks for watching.